Oh dearie me. I think Miss Cowan needs to save up her pennies and pounds to buy a new phone. Oh, right, so what were we doing? We were making 7 in lots of different ways. So we wrote 2 number sentences here, and I want you to think of as many different ways as you can for making 7, okay? Now let's do some subtraction. So we have got to have 7 left. Okay, we're taking away, we've got to have 7 left, that's the problem. So we've got to start with either 7 or a bigger number. Okay, you can't start with a smaller number because we've got to end up with 7 left. It can't be a number smaller than 7. Okay, so we could have, we've done this one a few times, haven't we? We could have 7 take away 0, that's right. Take away 0 equals 7, that would work. We could have, that's right, the next number. We could have 8. Take away 1, super, equals 7. How else could we do it? We could have 9. Take away, how many are you going to take away? You could use your fingers because you've still got enough fingers, haven't you? So 9 fingers. Take away how many? Take away 2, gives you 7 left, super. And I want you to see if you can carry on with our sequence, thinking of all of the other ways that you can make 7, okay, by taking away up until you get to 10. And then you could do some tricky ones, couldn't you? Okay, you could think of, oh, let me think, what about if you had 12? How many do you need to take away from 12 to get to 7? We could do that by counting backwards, couldn't we? We did a bit of this before the Christmas holidays. So 12, put it in your head, 12, we want to have 7 left, so we're going to count backwards until we get to 7. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Super, so we took 5 away. Well done. It's quite tricky, isn't it? It's a bit confusing when you count backwards. Well done. You could do it on the number line. Make yourself a number line. Okie dokie. Right then. Gosh, what's the weather like today? We need to do our weather sentence because it's wild weather. Okay. Think about your weather sentence. It is. What's the weather like? Can you make your sentence longer with and? Something today. Or you might use a different sentence starter. You might write, the weather today is, full stop on the end. Okay, have a go, see if you can write yourself a super weather sentence too. Don't forget your capital letter and your full stop at the end and your finger spaces. Okay, superstar, use your Fred talk as well. Think carefully about the sounds. Well done everybody.